Hello, hello all. Welcome to the PM exam preparatory course, which has been designed for the newcomers as well as those who have already studied the PMP preparation course. This will help you to guide further on to the specific topics which we'll be covering and explaining with the examples. So let's get started with this program. This program will start with the introduction of the project management. Introduction of the project management, when we say that, it talks about the project and its project management and the relation between the project management and the program management and portfolio management. It also talks about project and operation management. So let's me ask you one simple question. What is project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a beginning and an end and creates an unique product service. It is always progressively elaborated. It may have short and the long duration. A project can create product that can be either a component of another item or an end item in itself, a capability to perform a service, a result such as an outcome or a document. It can be end of the project is researched when a project's objective have been achieved or its objective will not or cannot be met or need for a project no longer exist. So to give you an overview on the project, it has a definite beginning and definite end, and it is progressively elaborated with the giving the results. So in service industry, the person who are working in the call center, are they working in a project or not? Definitely, they are working for a project which is in a service industry, and it has a activity of supporting the existing product. The project for the software development can have a software development life cycle which has been followed and step by step executing and providing an unique product. So project can be small or can have a long duration, but it has to be finite. Now let's jump to the topic of project and strategic planning. The projects which have a finite and progressive elaborated are typically authorized as a result of one or more of the following strategic considerations. One is market demand, strategic opportunity, and it can be customer request, it can be technological advancement, or a legal requirement. Project can be initiated by the stakeholders by the with the request of market demand or legal requirement or technological advancement. So suppose you have a project to upgrade certain platform from one technology to another. With this project, let me ask you one question. Which is the demand? Demand is that new technology which are coming up result in a requirement of converting from one existing portfolio to another to speed up the operation and effectively utilize the resources. So for that, for converting from platform A to platform B, we need a project. and which will have a unique result of platform B. Some projects and strategic planning are delivered based on the market demands as well. Say suppose you are working in a project which is coming because of the competition for the another company which is working in a same field and requires and implementing some strategic solution, and you will also be required to implement that solution because of the market demand. So project can be initiated because of market demand, strategic opportunity, customer request, technological advancement, and the legal requirement. The project management, the application of knowledge, skills, tools, technique to project activities to meet the project requirement. Project management typically includes identifying the requirement, addressing the various needs, concerns, and the expectation of the stakeholders as the project is carried out, balancing the competing project constraint. Let's hold a breath from now. We'll continue with the next session.